happy Monday. Today's a special day. Why is today a special day? Because we're gonna go on a fun adventure. We're gonna go fishing. So let's take a look out there into the sea and see what type of fish we can actually catch. Welcome back. I hope you guys had a wonderful time fishing with me. There was a little strange fish in the sea, but we managed to catch a few. Good job for us, good job for us. And as you may guess, today's topic, we're talking about phishing emails. As we already talked about, phishing is a type of process where a scam or a hacker, whatever he wants to call it, tries to get your personal information, your financial information, to use it for their personal gain. Email phishing is practically the same thing, but they do it, as you can guess, through email. They target a group, an individual, an organization, something of that matter, and try to get you to do something, whether that's click on a button and it downloads malware into your computer, your laptop, or your device, or you go to a website, you enter your information, they steal your credentials, or they take some money from you by asking you to pay for something. The emails that we're going to be talking about today, they are emails where they try to impersonate a company like Target or YouTube or Apple or Walgreens or something like that, where they know there's going to be a lot of people who subscribe to their email list. And then from there, they will try to get you to click on a button to go to a fake website that they spin up for you to enter your credentials of some type.